SED rates are the most widely used indicator of inflammation and help aid in the diagnosis or monitoring of subclinical, acute, and chronic inflammatory conditions, such as infections, autoimmune disorders, some malignancies, and many more. SED rates are one of the oldest and most common lab tests in the world. Isn't it time they get easier to perform? Alcor Scientific has completely reimagined ESR testing. It can be easy. It can be efficient. Introducing iSED PRO, the most advanced high-throughput erythrocyte sedimentation rate testing solution. iSED PRO uses capped, primary EDTA tubes in standard hematology racks. Whole blood samples are stable up to 28 hours when stored at room temperature or refrigerated. Simply insert a sample rack to start testing. Up to 120 samples can fit on board the analyzer. Rack lane status is indicated by color. The iSED PRO workflow is fully automated. Sample identification, mixing, aspiration, and analysis are all performed automatically. Racks can be marked as stat if needed. iSED PRO uses novel technology to rapidly generate an ESR value based on red blood cell aggregation, which is the first step of red blood cell sedimentation. Samples are thoroughly mixed prior to analysis. Only 100 microliters of whole blood is aspirated for testing. The sample is pumped into a flow cell, which causes the red blood cells to disaggregate. When the pump stops, an optical sensor detects the changes in light transmission through the flow cell as the red blood cells reaggregate. iSED PRO calculates an ESR value based on light transmission. Results are generated within 20 seconds, reported in millimeters per hour, and correlated to the Westergren method. The home screen displays useful information at a glance. The analyzer returns samples to their original position and releases the rack when testing is complete. Results can be accessed via the result log. Results are automatically transmitted to the LIS. iSED PRO uses Seditrol ESR controls, which are bi-level, ready-to-use human blood-based controls. Controls are stored on board the analyzer and automatically run according to a schedule defined by the laboratory. iSED PRO does not require any per-test consumables or reagents. iSED PRO also does not require any user-initiated daily maintenance. iSED PRO will notify the user when controls and other consumables need to be replaced. The operator simply needs to place new Seditrol and/or Deep Clean Pro tubes in a rack, then follow the on-screen prompts. iSED PRO will notify the operator when the waste container needs to be emptied. iSED PRO will notify the operator when the onboard wash solution needs to be replaced. iSED PRO, the most efficient, high-volume ESR solution designed for today's busy labs, transforming SED rate testing with a rack-based high-throughput workflow, generating results within 20 seconds, superior sample stability for improved logistics, automated QC and maintenance procedures, the least amount of hands-on time required.